How to change WordPress password. So the first thing that you need to do is simply open your WordPress account and just simply log in your account in here. And in this homepage, it will show you a variety of options to navigate. On the left side panel, we have here My Home, Stats, Upgrades, Posts, Media, Pages. But to start changing your password, just click your profile icon on the top right corner in here. And just proceed by simply clicking your profile photo icon. Upon clicking on it, you'll be able to be directed in here. And under this profile personal information or options, just simply scroll down and it will show you below the option that says account manager or new password. In which you start changing your own password, just simply click this link in here that says manage your wp.com in here. Upon clicking on it, you will be directed on this page and it will show you in here the option and just click this password. And after that, from here, you can start entering here your own password. And as you can see, since I don't have any password, I can simply enter here my new password right here and click the save password button below. And it says here that in changing your own password, make sure to have a strong password that has at least 6 characters and use upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. And after changing your own password, you could also set the two-step authentication for your added security. So you can set up using SMS or using this app. And after successfully changing your password in here, all you need to do is to simply go back to this page, then click this update profile. So basically, changing your password for your WordPress accounts is critical security practice that safeguards your website from unauthorized access, data breaches, and cyber attacks. So overall, that is just basically how you can change your WordPress password.